Most traders think momentum means chasing, but what if you could predict it before it even happens? Today I'm showing you exactly how I turned $2,677 into $3,213 in just 36 minutes using predictive price action. Not indicators and not luck.
Too many traders wait for a green candle. I wait for confirmation and structure. Volume shift, level reclaim. That's what's building my truck challenge. The same one that'll haul my gear to the lake, the mountains, or wherever my adventure takes me. I'm Susie, and this is volume-based day trading with risk management and real targets and not guessing. So let's go to the chart and see where I saw the reclaim begin.
At 7 a.m. Mountain Time, my Discord alert fired for GWAV, GWAV, which is a super nano float with sky-high short interest, and it had made a 109% pre-market move above the daily 50 EMA. Then after that move, it sold off and price started ping-ponging around the 1-minute 200 EMA. Right before opening bell, we could see sellers had dried up right at that EMA. And that's when control quietly flipped. I entered the trade at $17.90 at 7:35 a.m. Mountain Time. This was a full EMA reclaim entry. My stop was $17.70, giving me just a 20-cent risk. My rule is my reward always needs to be at least 3 times my risk. And that put my target right at $19.40. But as always, I monitor price and strength through these levels and increase my trailing stops as price climbs. And as price ripped through that $18.77 level, I raised my stop. And that's asymmetric compounding in action. And when price reached that pre-market high, I should have exited there because I didn't see strength through that level. Instead, it was very obvious weakness at this pre-market high. And as always, this pre-market high needs to be proven as support for continuation. But seeing weakness when price reached it was a sure sign of an upcoming reversal. Also, I could see sellers were rivaling buyers at this high of day. And when I see that kind of rivaling between buyers and sellers, that's my cue to plan for an exit, for a retest of this previous support level, where tails held this level briefly. So I planned my exit for the retest of this $21.50 level right here, which was previous support, and showing a new intraday critical level. And I teach my Discord group how to identify and plan using these special intraday critical levels. And my exit locked in a $3.60 per share gain, a total profit of $536.40. That's a 20% gain in just 36 minutes. I'm not waiting for a green candle to convince me to enter. That's reactive trading. And it's also what most so-called momentum gurus still teach. Predictive price action flips that. At $17.70, I didn't hope. I had proof. I had volume behavior, structure reclaim, and these Discord institutional levels providing confirmation. That's the difference between chasing and leading the move. Did you know the market leaves microtells long before the breakout crowd even wakes up? Most traders never even notice them, but once you learn to read those clues, you'll see power shifts minutes before they hit any scanner. That's the quiet heartbeat of predictive trading. Not guessing, not reacting, but reading what price is already whispering. Let's pause here. A lot of traders who join my Discord group come in carrying burnout from those fast-talking breakout rooms that trained them to chase. Guys, you're not broken. You were just trained to look at the wrong thing. Here's your homework. Tomorrow, choose one ticker. Don't trade it, just watch it. Track every time price pauses at an EMA and how volume behaves when it resumes. And by the end of the session, you're going to start seeing the story unfold before the move even happens. That single exercise rebuilds your confidence faster than any strategy PDF ever could. So what key takeaways can we learn from today's trade? The predictive setup versus lagging signal. Seller exhaustion near the 200 EMA was the first clue. Full EMA reclaim entries create tiny risk and asymmetric reward. Critical levels must be proven. If price stalls at a pre-market high without conviction, protect your profit. Raise stops as you go. That's how you let price pay you while it runs. Skill scales. Size doesn't. Today's trade added $536.40 profit on my $2,677 of working capital. That bumps up my asymmetric reset balance to $3,213.90. And that means the main truck fund just moved from $140,337.60 to $140,874. We're already about 94% of the way to our $150,000 goal. The truck is the scoreboard, but the real victory is predictable consistency. If this video helped you see how predictable the market really is, be sure and click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next breakdown. And remember, my mentoring program is still at the discounted rate, but only during this small account truck challenge. When the challenge ends, so does the discount, and price will jump significantly. So if you're ready to trade with clarity and structure instead of noise, now's the time to join us.
So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and achieving a 95% win rate in your trades, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com. And here's everything that you get when you join. You get live trade guidance with me. I walk you through the logic of every single setup every single day. You get our custom stock scanners and our pro charting tools to help you spot the really big moves before they even happen. You'll be part of an amazing private Discord trading group and community, and this is where the action happens. You get AI-powered alerts so that you know when things are starting to heat up. And you get those amazing institutional levels, not the retail zones. These are the real moves where the big money enters. You'll also get full trade breakdowns every day. So you're not just following, you're learning. You're learning the why behind every single trade. And best of all, you get real-time, one-on-one mentorship from me personally. That's personal, one-on-one support inside a tight-knit community of serious traders. And guys, this is not a copy my trade service. This is real education, real trade guidance, and real results. Because here's the truth, guys. If you're copy trading, you're just reacting to somebody else's click, and that's not a strategy, that's panic, and you're already in the game too late. Our edge? Predictive chart reading and volume logic that fuels the action, not reaction. That's our edge, profit, not panic. And the members inside our group are crushing it every single day with structure, clarity, and confidence. In fact, this challenge that you're watching right now, it's my personal mission to grow a $500 account to a brand new truck, one high probability trade at a time. So if you're ready to stop second guessing and start trading with confidence, head over to MomentumStockTraders.com right now. And if this video helps you, be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more free educational video content. And hit that notification bell, because that's the only way you'll know when I upload a new video. And remember, fuel your momentum, steer your focus, and drive it all the way home. And I'll see you in the next video.